So now that you know why you should create your online course, let's go and answer the next question, which is what you should create. Now you want to teach something. I mean, you already know something, but does the market really need it? That is something you need to find out. You can find that out by doing something called as a market research. So in this section, I will teach you some 7 to 8 free ways that you can do market research and find out what your students need. You can follow either all the 7 steps or you can follow any of these steps. It will help you to understand what your market wants and how you can use your existing knowledge to help your market. So first thing that you need to do is go to Google and type in your subject name. Okay, so for example, your subject name plus course. That is what you need to search. You can type in English and course and Google will automatically show you some suggestions on the search bar. So for example, English speaking course or English speaking courses near me or English language course and so on. So these are suggestions that people are searching for in Google, meaning your students are searching for in Google. So you can watch these popular suggestions. Now, let's say you selected a particular suggestion. For example, let's say you have selected your teaching speaking course to students and you want to know what the market is really looking for in speaking. Then you can take the first result from Google. So on Google, what will happen is you will see a lot of ads popping up for this particular course. So you will see a mix of search results and ads. So for example, in this case, a lot of ads are being shown. So from here, you can notice what are the titles of the ads that is being shown. So why this is important is because Google will always show the results that people who search this query are really looking for. So for example, in this case, the students who are looking for an English speaking course prefer one-to-one coaching. Okay, as shown in the ad. And the students English for beginners. So mainly these students who are looking for this are absolutely beginners and rightly so, they want to improve their fluency in English. Maybe they want to master English for some exams or maybe they want to crack some interviews. So this is something you need to check out. And second, if you scroll down a little bit, you will find Google reviews, which is Google reviews for businesses. For example, if there is any coaching academy that is offering English speaking courses, you will see their results shown, their directions, their maps and all are shown here. You can go ahead and check out the reviews, mainly the 3-star reviews that students have given in this academy. You can go and check that out. So this way you will understand what students are actually expecting, what they don't like, what they like. You will get an idea by reading the reviews. So this is one thing you can do. And same way, if you scroll further down on Google, you will find that people are asking few questions. So if you click on each question, it will expand and you will get more questions. So for example, in this case, many students will want to know this question, like how can I learn English fluently in 10 days. So maybe these are students who, maybe if you are planning to create an English speaking course, maybe that could be the title of your course. For example, how to speak better English in just 10 days. So something like this you can create. Since this is something students are looking for, you will have a higher chance to rank on Google for your online course. So this is one suggestion. And same way, if you scroll down in Google, you will find that there are more suggestions that Google are giving at the bottom. You can click on any of those suggestions and you can do the same research that we have done. That is to read the reviews, to go to the questions and again click on more suggestions. So this way you will get an idea of how you should use your knowledge to help that particular audience. So this is the first method, which is to use Google. So you are using Google Suggest. Now the same thing you can repeat using Google suggestions, on YouTube suggestions. So what you can do is again go to Google and type in your query, which is your subject and course. So English course you can type. So YouTube will automatically list down all the search results that are popular. Now for example, if you are clicking on the English speaking course, you will have a lot of videos that are being listed. you can click on any of the popular videos. And from here, what you can do is you can go to the comment section, and within the comment section you can sort them by newest first. So this way all the latest comments in that popular video will come up, and you can just read through those first say 10 to 20 comments and get an idea of what students are actually asking for this video. So for example, in this case, some people are looking for, they want to learn more about English tenses, and that is one thing you can get from the comments. The comments will reveal the exact pain points that the student is actually looking to solve. So this is one method of using YouTube for market research.